Okay. Hey, mami. O yan, guys, after natin nag-lunch, ito na, coffee na. It's coffee time by Alfresco. So, yan. Suman Bulagta and Spanish Latte Espresso. Yan ang ganap natin ngayon. Bagong tuli. Bagong tuli. So, yan ang ito naman yung karaoke station. Karaoke station. At dito naman yung Takbuhan station. Takbuhan station, laro station, cellphone station. So, ang ganda na namin tent. Magkaisa bawat oras, sama-sama. Tamang-tama yung tent na to. Kasi magkaisa bawat oras, tapos sama-sama pa. Sama-samang lumalapang. So, ayan na. Ready na for our session. Okay guys, yan ang ganap natin ngayon. Christmas time, December 25, Takbuhan Station, Cafe Station, and Karaoke Station. Okay guys, later.